We are all born with purpose, every single one of us. In fact, as Oprah Winfrey calls it, your soul's calling. And some people tend to think it has to be something grand. Your purpose is a way to keep you on task and focused, and gives you a sense of belonging. The whole idea of understanding your sabotage stories is that when you can release them, they no longer become part of your story. They become a history. When we clear it, we're not just telling them they can do anything, we're showing them. And to me, that's so much more important. Any change that you try and implement can't happen unless you are both looking after your physical and your internal health and well-being.